A great poster can start from nothing more than a few well-placed shapes and a strong sense of balance. Today, how to design modern shape posters. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas sized 1080 by 1350 pixels, which works perfectly for social media posters. Choose a soft off-white background so the design feels clean and contemporary. Select the rectangle tool and draw a large vertical block on the left side using a deep navy color. Now switch to the ellipse tool and add a bold circle overlapping the rectangle with a bright coral color, adjusting its opacity to around 90%,